really strict. If basically they do the wrong, you follow them forever. It's so hard to change. Like this always banana sound. Right now, I told her last week she changed. You know how? I told her Halloween is coming, and also the zombie. We play the video game at zombie dead hand like this, right? Yeah. Now she remembered dead hand. If you don't do dead hand, the ball will stop it. Then I told her the picking got to push like this. Yeah, now she got it. So if they cannot get it, no rush. That's fun. Even us, we learn still hard time, right? For long. So give them plenty of time. Just let them to interested. Even not very interested, just hobby. When they getting older, especially for teenagers, they don't have time to go out playing with some bad things or something. And then now sometimes I go to the website to read the Weibo. Someone to writing something. Yeah. Mom, they have a kids play the violin since 7 years old. I think the mom said, I really like to push mommy. Because every time when they study, I got study too. Until the kid, so she follow the kids pass all the level. Until she's 16 years old, she got some contest, to compare, got the second place maybe. Then got to apply college. It's a good scholarship. It's fast. Now we pay the tuition, they learn. Later on, they will return to us. Yes. Right now, I think of they got to, what we want to. We want they got to good education, try our best to give to them, right? It's a skill. Like now, Miss Bansi can making this for living. It's good too. What they can do, they do accounting, technology. Everything go fast. Technology is changing very fast. Like my husband, she is an engineer for the computer. But now she's doing the traffic business. You never know what you're going to do. Anything just can make in life, making them happy. That's good. Even they are not happy just for short time. Because it's too little. They don't know what makes them happy. Maybe candy, maybe TV, right? But we know, we got to leading them which way they should go. So right now, I don't care how violin she's playing very good or not. I want to know what's her attitude. If she has a good attitude, she knows how to arrange her own time, I will be happy. That's the thing. If she's good at violin, she can good at other things too. Maybe later on you want your kids to play soccer, they will know how to try them best to practice the same thing. Right?
Something that I noticed for myself is that it gave me a huge sense of self-esteem growing up. And when they can play something like that on their violin, have you guys noticed a difference in their self-esteem? Yes. Being able to do something that other kids can't do?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's huge. It's huge. And it helped. All my brothers and sisters, I have 5 brothers and sisters, and I was the only violinist in the whole house. And I accelerated through whatever, and I was able to get really good. And almost every one of them has had some of their kids take violin because they saw me and my self-confidence in junior high and high school because of what it gave to me. So that's something else it gives to them as well if they can do that. But yeah, what I've noticed with these two is that they're right there with their kids, and they're with them in practice. They're with them when they come. When the parent separates themselves from the child and drops them off and says, good luck, go do whatever, and kind of leaves them up to me to try to teach them, I have half an hour with them for private lessons, or else with the 1 hour a week, I have 1 hour. When they practice, I'm not there. I can't be there. That's where the parents need to guide them, especially at 5 and 6 and 7. So that's why you guys are here, because your kids are, they're doing good, but yeah, having a little bit of guidance will just make a huge difference in this 12-week program. You guys will see a gigantic difference, and it gives you guys a chance to be with your child and do something cool with them, and learning. So thank you so much for coming today. I appreciate it. Are there any other questions you guys have before we
Some of the parents are overwhelmed.
You guys look overwhelmed? You guys feel like this is oh my gosh, what are we into?
We're still going up the curve. We're looking for some success.
I think the key is consistency. So like they're saying, even if you have one day where you just you do it for 5 minutes, they pull the violin out and you're there to support them, the fact that you're doing it is huge. That's the whole reason why we have the 100 Club, is for them to go, oh my gosh, and I've brought out to all the kids the big candy bag that they get at the end of the 100 Cup, and they're like, "Oh my gosh!" And the chocolate bar that's like this big, and it's like totally.
Where Jessica hiding them under bed.
Really?
She doesn't eat them all the time.
That's their bad.
She just eats when she feels happy or she do something good. She just like a gift. Give to herself like this. Yes, great.
And to be able to hit 100 days practicing is insanely hard. I never would have been able to do it as a kid. I was too undisciplined. But with your kids, I mean, having reached 100, the 100 Club just does not totally give them confidence. Like, why have 100? Seriously, they can do anything now. They're 6. It's crazy. So, anyway,
I did have to be the one
You gotta
to
get your
remind
rituals on
them
now, okay?
about that.
how do they hit 100?
Practicing every day. Come on, we want to get 100. We've got to practice today. We've got to practice today. I had to be the one to
Get you real close on
I
okay?
feel so
Yeah.
bad.
You're the
Thank
parents.
you.
She every day says, "Mommy, please let's practice." Like, okay, let's finish homework first, and then let's. Oh yeah, she's here, and let's go to bed. I don't know.
It's okay. That's why we're here, right? We're all here to learn. So, thanks for coming. We appreciate it. We have some brownies for you guys. Don't be shy to grab some brownies. But we'll call it a day, and please let us know if you have any questions.
Is there any other concerns?
Thank you very much, guys. Good job. Awesome.